Hello guys, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to cancel American Airlines flight. So please follow along so you don't miss a step. The first thing you'll need to do is to go over to the American Airlines website, which is aa.com, and then log into your account. Click on the login button right here. Then after putting your AA Advantage number or username and password, you can log in. Then when you're logged in, you're going to go over to Plan Travel. Click on it. And this will bring up some options. You're going to go over to the right side where you have your trips. Click on it. Then you will have your list of upcoming trips. Then the next thing you'll need to do is to select the trip you'd like to cancel. Then on the left side, you're going to see Cancel Trip. And then you'll get to a page called Review Trip Cancellation. And then you have the Cancel Trip option at the bottom right corner of your screen. Click on it to confirm your cancellation. And this will automatically reinstate your miles for award tickets. The airline should also automatically issue a travel voucher for paid tickets, and the taxes and fees paid on award tickets should also all be returned to the credit card which you used to pay. So let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.